The leaked S26 FE promises flagship design without the flagship price tag. The first official-looking render of the Galaxy S26 FE surfaced on June 12, 2024, providing a detailed glimpse of its design. It showcases a vibrant 6.4-inch AMOLED panel, which is widely expected to offer a high refresh rate for buttery-smooth scrolling, and a robust 4,500 mAh battery, projected to comfortably last a full day under moderate usage. Its sleek chassis measures an impressive 7.8 mm thick, effectively shaving 0.3 mm off the larger S26 Ultra's footprint, making it noticeably thinner and potentially more pocketable. The leak also prominently highlights a sophisticated new color option dubbed Midnight Slate, suggesting a premium aesthetic rarely seen in this segment. While that slimmer silhouette looks incredibly promising for ergonomics and portability, the real question that arises is whether Samsung had to trim critical durability features or structural integrity to achieve that featherweight profile and sleek design. Competition heats up in the premium mid-range segment as the S26 FE prepares to face its more expensive sibling, the S26 Ultra, which continues to sport the highly durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both its front and back panels. Intriguingly, the FE reportedly swaps the Victus 2 for a newer, yet different, Gorilla Glass 5. This immediate revelation raises a significant durability question. Does this choice mean the slimmer, lighter chassis might sacrifice the Ultra's renowned scratch and drop resistance in everyday scenarios? To ascertain this, Samsung's internal test rig is expected to run a standardized 5-gram stylus across both screens, simulating typical daily wear and tear from keys or coins. This crucial test will reveal whether the FE's Gorilla Glass 5 can truly hold up under common real-world abrasion and impact stresses, providing vital insights for potential buyers concerned about longevity. Beyond screen durability, the first crucial real-world test targets the redesigned camera module. The leaked render shows a surprisingly 50% larger camera bump compared to its predecessor, the S25 FE, immediately prompting the question: will this more prominent protrusion survive a typical accidental drop onto hard surfaces without damage? In controlled laboratory conditions, Samsung engineers rigorously dropped a prototype from a standardized 1-meter height onto a rough concrete slab, a common real-world scenario. Remarkably, the camera module stayed perfectly flush with the phone's back after impact, proving that the redesign, counterintuitively, actually improves drop resilience by distributing impact forces more effectively across the chassis. While that initial result is highly encouraging for everyday bumps and falls, we still need to verify its long-term wear and resistance after repeated impacts and continuous daily exposure to abrasive surfaces. Next up on the evaluation list is ergonomics, a frequently overlooked but critical aspect of daily phone usage. The S26 FE's weight sees a significant drop to a mere 176 g from the S26 Ultra's heftier 228 g, making it substantially lighter and less cumbersome in hand. Furthermore, its carefully sculpted edges are more generously rounded, designed specifically for a more palm-friendly and comfortable grip over extended periods, a clear improvement over previous squared-off designs. In a controlled 30-minute video call marathon conducted with a focus group, users reported an impressive 40% reduction in perceived hand fatigue compared to holding the bulkier Ultra, a finding that genuinely surprised even seasoned tech reviewers. This clear ergonomic edge certainly seems to pay off for daily communication and casual browsing, but the real, ultimate test will undoubtedly be how the phone maintains comfort and balance during intense, marathon gaming sessions where prolonged grip and heat dissipation are paramount. The leak also uncovers a truly significant surprise. Samsung is reportedly pledging an unprecedented 5-year Android security and OS update guarantee specifically for the S26 FE. This generous perk has traditionally been locked exclusively to flagship devices like the S26 Ultra and Z Fold series, making its inclusion in the mid-range FE line a groundbreaking move for consumer value. This commitment, officially announced on Samsung's developer blog on May 28, 2024, could fundamentally flip buying decisions, especially for cost-conscious consumers who prioritize long-term value and software longevity over cutting-edge, yearly hardware upgrades. However, as with all such ambitious promises, the market will ultimately judge whether this guarantee translates into actual timely update delivery. Consequently, tech enthusiasts and analysts alike will be watching the rollout closely to ensure Samsung truly delivers on its word and sets a new standard for the segment. Putting all the leaked pieces together, the S26 FE is shaping up to be a compelling package. It reportedly matches the S26 Ultra's premium glass back, offering a high-end tactile feel and a sophisticated look that belies its price point, and incorporates an advanced under-display fingerprint sensor for seamless, secure unlocking, much like its flagship brethren. Crucially, it inherits the new, groundbreaking 5-year software promise, providing extended usability and peace of mind for years to come. This robust combination aims to deliver flagship-level durability and longevity, all at a surprisingly accessible projected $599 launch price, which stands in stark contrast to the S26 Ultra's hefty $1,199 tag. While this convergence of premium design, essential features, and extensive software support is undeniably impressive for a fan edition, the final verdict will still hinge significantly on its real-world market pricing and the extent of crucial carrier subsidies, which often play a major role in widespread consumer adoption and perceived value. From a strategic consumer standpoint, the FE's projected manufacturer's suggested retail price MSRP of $599 positions it squarely in the fiercely competitive mid-range smartphone market, a segment where value for money is paramount. Yet, its leaked specifications, including the high refresh rate AMOLED display, rumored processor upgrades, and the multi-year software guarantee, surprisingly echo features traditionally found in the Ultra's premium tier. If Samsung can successfully maintain a competitive sub-$650 street price in key markets like North America and Europe, while diligently delivering on its ambitious promised software updates, the S26 FE could severely undercut established rivals such as the venerable iPhone 15 Pro, which starts at a significantly higher $999. This aggressive price pressure and feature set could fundamentally reshape the traditional flagship mid-range divide, forcing competitors to rethink their strategies. But this ambitious plan will only succeed if unforeseen global supply chain constraints and manufacturing costs don't ultimately push the final retail cost higher than anticipated. In summary, the leaked S26 FE truly promises to deliver a compelling flagship feel, boasting a premium glass construction, a seamless under-display fingerprint sensor, and an industry-leading 5-year software update promise, all at a price point that genuinely feels like an extraordinary bargain. If the preliminary durability tests consistently hold up under real-world conditions, confirming its robust build, and if Samsung firmly sticks to its aggressive pricing roadmap, the FE could very well become the undisputed go-to device for savvy, value-conscious buyers seeking premium features without the hefty flagship price tag. However, as always, the broader market and consumer reception will ultimately decide whether this significant hype successfully translates into tangible, long-lasting value and widespread adoption, especially against fierce competition. Therefore, stay tuned and mark your calendars for the much-anticipated official unveiling on August 22, 2024, where all remaining details will be confirmed and pricing finalized. Do you think a 5-year update guarantee is enough to sway your next phone purchase?